Good morning, students. Today we will learn how we can make this type of boards. For making this type of boards, we need a A4 size paper. This is A4 size paper. I mean, it is not a square paper; it is a rectangular paper. Now, first step will be find the center of this paper and fold it. We have fold the paper at its centers. Now, next step, we bring this paper here at the center and fold it. Now from here you also fold it. So see the steps. We have taken a rectangular paper, find the center, fold at the center both sides. Now next step, we have to fold the corners, both sides corners. And we will repeat it on the other side also. Okay, I think this step, all of you have clear these steps. सभी बच्चों को ये स्टेप समझ में आ गया होगा. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. We have to fold it again this side. See, in this way and complete it here. Again we will fold it from here and see. This step will repeat it here also. We have to repeat the same steps. See. See. Now this is the process for making a decorative board. Now second last step is we have to fold this paper also from here to at its center of the paper. One and another one. Now this is the we have make. Now what we have to do, we will unfold it or we can say it is फोल्ड ऑन द बैक साइड. मैं हम इनको पीछे की तरफ से फोल्ड ऐसे उल्टा करेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पेपर पकड़ लेंगे. वी हैव टू टेक ऑल द पेपर्स टुगेदर एंड रिवर्स इट. So see, your board is ready now. You can make it easily, or you can keep some pen. You can use for anywhere. This is you can use as a box, So it is, I think you enjoy it. You will enjoy for after making this boat. Thank you.